Hello guys, my name is Vishwas Aitan. I hope you're all doing fine. So today we will solve Cake for Geek daily challenge. In this case, count the substring. Okay. The question says here, given a binary string S consists only of zeros and ones. Okay. So it only consists of zeros and one. The task is to calculate the numbers of substrings that have more than one and zeros. Okay, so second rule, the main rule is here. We have to calculate whichever substrings has more ones than zeros. Okay, we understood the question here. So let's solve the question here, and let's see here. So what is the substring here? What is the substring here? The substring formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So how many substrings can be there? For that we use this formula. So let's say here how many are there? 1, 2 and 3. So how many substrings we can create here? So 3 plus 1, which will be 4 divided by 2. This will be 2. 3 into 2 will be 6. So we can create here 6 substrings. So what all are substrings here? Let's say from starting 0, first is 1, then is 0, 1, another one is 0, 1 and 1. Okay, another substrings are another this one. So 1 is 10 and 1 is 10, and last is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is valid. What does question says here? We have to calculate number of substrings that has more than ones than zeros. More than, not equal to. So this is not valid. This is equal to, though not valid. This is more than zero, then this is valid. So we have 1 here. This has no zero, this is also valid. This is also valid, and this is also valid. So all has no zeros. So this will be equal to plus 3, which will be equal to 4. Thus the output is here 4. Its output is here 4. Let's check for another question here. Let's say we have 1, 0, 1. So again we have 3 here. By the formula, how many substrings we can have? N into n minus n plus 1 divided by 2, which will become to 6. So let's say 1. So first one will be 1, second one will be 1, 0, third one will be 1, 0, 1. So next will be 1, 0, 1, and last one will be 0, and last one will be 1. So how many substrings are there which has more ones here? So 1, 2 and 3. So answer for this is 3. I hope you understood this question clearly. So let's solve this question now. How can we solve this? So in this we will have a tracker. We'll create a tracker and we will see whoever has 1 and whoever has 0, and last we will calculate the answer. At first what we have to do, we have to find the length of the array. So what will be the formula for length of the array? The length of the string, s dot length of the string. After that we have to give an output. So what is the what should we return? We should return in the long. So the long will be the output. So long will be the output. Answer will be equal to 0. And next we have to have a tracker to like how many zeros are there. So we will also have a tracker which will be assigned as 0. After that we have to see how many zeros are there. So how many zeros are there? So we will have, it has n, the number of string. So we take all the string together first. Okay. After that, what we have to do here, we have to have a array where we can put 1 and 0. So we will have an array. Let's name them as k. K. And what will be the size of the array? See here, we are minusing also. So we are in the tracker, we are also minusing it. So we have to have worst case, or like if in this case all are 0. So it should be, or like it should have a, it will be all minus minus minus. So answer will be 0 here, but it will be all minus 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 will be there. To keep a tracker for that, so we will have the size of int equal to 2 into n. Sorry, it's not writing, huh? Int 2 into n. And for some cases, it to be like not out of bound, we will just add any number, like from we will just add 3. It is like to be in a safer side, not get outbounded. After that, what we have to do, we have to have a current value to get placed into here, to get the value into here. So what will be the current value? It will be n. So it can be minus or it can be positive. Like if it is 1, so it will be plus plus and it will get added to the positive side. If it is negative, it will get added to the negative side. It will be minus minus and it will be added to the negative side. I hope you get it. Why did we use here? We will use this as a k.current and we will add plus plus here. After that, what we have to do here? We have to iterate to the array to check if it is 0 and 1 and update the k array. Let's see, we will update from int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now we have to iterate the array. So we will use, first you have to check if it is 0 or 1. So we will check here if it is 0. So how can we see? We have to use some variable, like we have to use a method for this, for string. What is the method called? Character. We have to get the character I, which is equal to, if it is equal to 0, what we have to do here? What we have to do for current? We have to minus the current to get to put output here. Minus. Else, if that is not the case, if it is 1, so it will either be 0, either maybe 1. No 2 3s are there, so either 0 or either 1. If that is the case, if it is not equal to 0, then we can say current plus plus. I hope you got it. After that, see, we have to have a tracker for 0 also here, right? We have to have a tracker for 0 also. So what we have to have a tracker for this one also, we have to have a tracker for to 0. So what we have to do here, if current is less than or equal to 0, what you have to do here? We have to add the tracker. I hope you get it. So 0 will be added here. This is for 0. This is for tracking 0. Now what we have to do? Why did we use current here and current here? To initialize the k value. So k of current will be plus plus. So we have initialized the k value here. Now we have to get the output. So we didn't get anything for answer here. So we will do what we will do. We will use another for loop for int. For is wrong, For int I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I will be plus plus. This is a basic. Now we have to calculate the answer. What time? Answer a and answer. So we have to keep on adding the value. So what will be the value? So what we have to do here? We have to check for n. We have to add n. and we have to minus also. See here, we are keep on minusing here. So you are here, we keep on minusing. We'll go here, and it will be lesser. So we have to use I here to keep on getting minus. First will be 0, 5, 0, because all three are there here. Then we will keep on minusing. Then we have to also check if the tracker is there. So we have tracked how many zeros are there. So we will track will be 0. So this is the, we will keep on iterating to an array till we get. So here 3 is that, we will go till 2. So and another case, what will be this? What will be the input of this? What will be the variable of this? This will be int. So we have to escape that. So what we will do here, we will use typecasting of long. I hope you got it, how we get answer. Now we have to change this k value. So what we have to do, if x of character of I is equal to 1, what we have to do here, we have to minus the value of 0. So k of 0 plus 1 will be minus to make it again to 0, to make this tracker, to make this k value again to 0. So we are using this. After that we will just go for another plus, and we have to say tracker plus equal to k of 0 to update it 0. Okay, now what we have to do, if that is not the case, what we have to do here, we'll just copy this guy. No, we'll just write it. K of 0, if it is 0, like obviously it is 0, then what we have to do, we have to go back. This is the value, so we have to go back. I will show you in the try run. In the IntelliJ we will use try run also. We will check what is happening in this case. We will do minus 1. So 0 is the middle point, we have to go minus, so it will be minus. We are simply neutralizing the value what we put it here, what we added here, we are just neutralizing it. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to track, we have to make it 0 minus. After that what we have to do, we have to reassign track, we have to minus the track to k of 0 plus 1, then track also minus to get the value. So 0 is removed, so we have to do minus track also here. After that, after iterating to everything, we have to return answer. Let's compile it. Okay, character at, okay, what is that, else, if else, okay, now it should run. Yeah, we are getting the accept, like what the output was accepted, we are getting the same output. Let's submit and see if the time complexity is availing. So 10 is done, 25, yeah, all are done. So now we will understand this, we will just try run this code to understand more clearly. For that we will use IntelliJ. So we are taking the string has 101 here. So we are taking string has 101. So what was the output here for 101? The output was here 3. Let's see, we are getting 3 here. So we will do debug from from where we wrote a code here. So let's debug and see what is the steps we are following. So starting will be 101. So let's go down, and end will be initialized as 3. Answer will be 0. Tracker will be also 0. 0 will be also initialized as 3, and we have k value has this one we created. How many? It will account for minus also, and it will account to plus also. Let's see what does that mean. And we will initialize from this one, And see if it is see in this case the starting element is 1. The starting element is here 1. So what does it say? It is false. Then it will go here else plus plus, and after that what it will do, it is also false, so it will not go, it will not track the 0. It will go down and it will add, what it will add here, it will add 1 here. So this is a positive n. So if it was negative, where it will be added here, it will be added here somewhere here. Let's go down here. So now we have to iterate again for second digit. Let's see second digit if it is so we got minus minus, so it is true, so it is now less than the 0, so it will get tracked. So tracker, now the tracker's inner size has now 1. So tracker's inner size has 1, so we got 1 0 here. So we will again go current plus plus, and we will get added. Where it will get added, let's see where it will get added. It is got added at the minus side. This is minus and this is positive sides. Now let's go for again. It will go for check. I will go again check it if it is false. So now where it will be added here. Now where it will be added plus here. So we will check it is also false, and it will update the k current. So it is updated k current has 2 here. I hope you understood here how we got 2. So how many 2s are there? How many ones are there here? Ones are there here, 1 and 2. And how many zeros are there? Only 1. So 1 is there and 0 has 2. Let's go for another for loop. So now we have finished this loop and we have to find the answer. Now we have to update the answer here. So here answer for n will be 3 and I will be 0. And tiger, how many tigers do we have here? How many zeros do you have? We have 1. So it will be, the answer will be equal to 2 here. Now we will go down, we will check if s1 is equal to true. Then what we will do, we will update the k value. So 0 plus 1, so what was 0 initialized? 0 was initialized as n here. So 3 plus 1, which will be 4. 4 minus minus. Now if here the 2 was there, what will be the case here? This will come to 1. Now 0 will be plus plus. Now we will go down and we will check for tracker. If like a tracker, we have to check, we have to update the tracker has k of 0, where the tracker now equal to 2. Now we have to again iterate. So we have iterated 1 times, we have to iterate 3 times now. If we check again, so now the tracker is 2, the n is 3 and k is 3, which is, what is the answer for it will change the answer, it will not change the answer. It will not change the answer because the n is 3, 1 and 2, it will be 0. And we have to check, now we have to check it is 0, so it will go down here and it will update this guy now. Let's see how it will update. Now we have updated to 0, now 0 minus minus. Now tracker will be this one and the tracker will be updated to 1. Now you have to go for n equal to 3. So n is 3, answer is 2, answer was 2, n is 3 and tracker is 0 and I is 2. So 3 minus 2, which will be 1. So it will get 2 plus 1 is added here. Now we have to say if 1 is true, it will go down and it will update to 0 here. Now it is continuing here, it will be updated to 0. Let's see, it will get updated to 0. See, it will get updated to 0. Then we have to just say simplify, it will be 0 and 0, and we will get now output as answer 3. So we have we have k value, we have updated everything, so now answer will be equal to 3. So thus we got the answer as 3 here. We have finished the loop and we are getting the answer as 3. We got the same answer here. I hope you understand each line of this code. How did we did everything? If you understand this code, it will be easy. And if you have any problem regarding any of steps, please do comment. I will try to help you. And if you like this video, please like and please do comment if you have any suggestion. and 1k is our target. And yeah, I am hoping we will finish in this month or next month. Please do subscribe to my channel, it will be great help. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.